Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Tamara's Bargains, and today I am not doing a Dollar Tree haul or a come with me. Today I'm doing something completely different. Today I am doing a beauty unboxing, and I'm so excited because I went and did two Melon subscriptions and to check them out and see what I would like and kind of compare the two boxes and see what comes in them and give you a bargain deal, because I know with everything that has been going on with the pandemic, some people still want to look beautiful and find their deals but at a lower cost. So this is why I'm comparing prices and also looking to see what would be the best option when it comes to doing a subscription. So this is my first time ever actually really doing a beauty subscription. I'm actually kind of excited. I don't know what to expect. I was kind of reading through it and stuff like that, but we'll see. But if this is your first time ever joining my video and seeing a beauty unboxing, I hope you decide to stay and join my family over here with Tamara's Bargains. So please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let's get into our unboxing. The first one I'm going to do is the Walmart Beauty Boxing. And this one is actually going for, with sale taxes and shipping and handling, for $7, and I want to say $7.90 something in that cent range. But I will of course post a picture that I always do of what the cost is, and let's reveal what comes inside this one. This is the spring 2021. So let's check it out. I'm so excited. I took off the shipping label. I have not actually opened it, so I really don't know what's in it. I've actually seen other YouTubers do it, which is one girl, give a shout out to her, is Taylor Marie. She's actually the one who got me in looking into this. So let's see how this goes. So this is the Walmart Beauty Box, the first time I'm ever opening it. Let's go, let's see what's in it. I'm so excited. Not bad at all. All right, so we got a spring 2021 Walmart Beauty, and this is a Walmart Beauty Box, and this is the spring collection. So we've got, let's see, did I get a hair accessory? No. All right, well, let me go over what I got, because what they listed in here is not what I see in my beauty box. So I see that they were going to give a hair scrunchie, some toothpaste, some Olay Ultra Rich Moisturizer, some hard candy stuff, but I don't see any of that. So let's see what I got. So I got Humphreys Witch Hazel, which smooth with rose. So never seen what this is, and does it even tell me? Okay, right here. So this one is the Humphrey Witch Hazel Toner, and this is an 8-ounce bottle, and this one is going for $10.98 with Walmart. Okay, so I see what I'm doing now. Okay, bear with me, guys. So also in this box I got NYX Professional Makeup lipstick, and let's see, doesn't tell me what the retail value is going for, but with Walmart, their prices with their colors or with their makeup brand is pretty good. So I will find the price for this and link it in the corner like I always do. And this one is a satin lipstick, and this one is called Shot Out. The makeup number is SLSL25 strength. So let's see what color and how it looks. Ooh, I like that. So it's like a red color, but doesn't want to twist out. What the heck? Are we serious? So my first unveiling is, I love the color. It's by NYX Beauty, and look at, it's not even like coming out. So I would love to do a review on this Walmart, but of course it's not working. So I guess I'm gonna have to get a lipstick brush for that one. But that's how it looks. How cute is that packaging? I love the red heart, and I need a new red lip color anyways. So I also got a Conair Wild Prime Rose comb, a detangling comb, and that's always good for when it comes to my daughter's hairs. They got curly hair and I always use combs on them. Combs for me don't work very good, but got a nice comb, and let me see, what the retail value for that, if there is. Oh, okay. So this one is going for $4.97 to $7.97, and that's where that scrunchy hair accessory came from. So gotcha, that's this one. Okay, so the next one is Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette, and this one is retailing for $6.97. And oh, I am actually really loving these colors, and great for spring. And you actually get 32 strips, so that's pretty good. That's a couple nails that you could try out, and it says it lasts up to 14 days. And this one says 20 gel strips. Oh, okay, well, it's not bad. So 2 times I get to try it out, so that's pretty cool. And I'm really liking that color. So that's really cool. I could definitely use that. And let's see what else we got. So we got some samples, some Tanology body drip, face and body drip. And that's a little sample thing. See how that goes. And also got by Found, and this one is a firming organ sheet mask, so 94% natural. So got this, and this is with Enhance. So how cool is that? So I got a face mask too. And does it give me a retail value on that? $1.37. So $1.37. And also got, oh, and I've used this before, so this, I could give you a review on this. This is actually really good. Hello toothpaste is all natural, really good. So I'm actually a fan of this. So actually a nice travel size. I went out on the weekend during the weekend with my husband, so that's another reason why I didn't film this weekend, but could have used this as a travel toothpaste. But really good product. They're pretty much like charcoal and coconut oil. You could normally get the bigger pack of this, the bigger size at Walmart for, I think it's like $4.97, but when I went to the health store and actually got it, I paid like almost $8 for it. So Walmart does have it and is a good price point. But Hello toothpaste is a great product. So I definitely recommend it, especially if you like more natural products. Give this a shot. It's really good. So that was my first beauty unboxing for Walmart. I'm actually pretty excited of the stuff that I got. I mean, I haven't used this Humphrey Hazel Witch Oil, so that's something I'll be trying. And the lip color, I love the color. I'm just bummed that it is, oh, there it goes. Wait, okay, you gotta give it like a weird push. Oh, okay, finally. Okay, got something going on here. Yes, red lipstick. Lady in Red. So we got a working lipstick now. So I'll give you a review on that too. But so far, I like this. So I think I might keep this subscription, and also I think I might sign my daughter up too. For a 12-year-old, you could get for under $20 2 of the beauty boxes with Walmart. So I recommend this. So we unboxed the Walmart beauty box. I hope you guys like this. Like I said, first time ever unboxing this, seeing what I got. I recommend this so far. So please follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Tamara's Bargains. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned because I'm going to be doing my other subscription unboxing next. Have a nice day and have a blessed one.